No! No! Hey! Hey!
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No! Who did?
Bad dog.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
You want my food? Okay, fine. You know what? Here. Yeah. No! Oh my god! Bitch!
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You motherfucker!
Seriously?
What are you doing?
Want this cheese and fool? Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. No.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.